Good evening. Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 22, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Name the referee from India to officiate in wrestling matches of Tokyo Olympics. Answer Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar will be the only referee from the country to officiate in wrestling matches of Tokyo Olympics. He was named in the list of officials released by United World Wrestling on Thursday. He is a UWW referees educator as well. Second question. When is International Day for Biological Diversity observed? Answer May 22. The United Nations Convention for Biological Diversity came into force in 1993 to increase understanding and awareness about biodiversity and its issues. The International Day for Biological Diversity is celebrated every year on May 22. Third question. Who has been reappointed as a member of FIH Athletes Committee? Answer P. Srijesh. India goalkeeper P.R. Srijesh has been re-elected as a member of FIH Athletes Committee during the virtual meeting of World Body's Executive Board. More points. International Hockey Federation FIH. Its president is Dr. Narendra Dhruv Batra. Headquarters is situated in Lausanne, Switzerland. Formation of FIH is on 7 January 1924. The current CEO is Thierry Viel. This is the symbol of FIH. This is current president of FIH, Dr. Narendra Dhruv Batra. And this is CEO. Fourth question. Which state's chief minister has launched Amrit Vahini app for online booking of hospital beds? Answer Jharkhand. Now corona patients in Jharkhand can book hospital beds through online by Amrita Vahini app launched by CM Hemant Soren on Friday. According to Soren, through the Amrita Vahini app, the state government would be able to provide better facilities for the people infected with coronavirus. More points about Jharkhand. Jharkhand was formed on 15 November 2000. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi and current chief minister is Hemant Soren and current governor is Draupadi Murmu. Jharkhand is a state in eastern India. It's known for its waterfalls, the elegant Jain temples of Parsanath Hill and elephant and tigers of Betla National Park. These are the famous national park of Jharkhand: Betla National Park, Rajdevra National Park and Palamu Tiger Reserve. This is Jharkhand and its capital is Ranchi. This is a district in Jharkhand, Rourkela. A recent point we have studied. India's largest hockey stadium, Birsa Munta International Hockey Stadium, is at Rourkela in Sundargarh district. Fifth question. Name the well-known environmentalist and Gandhian who passed away recently. Answer Sundarlal Bahuguna. Well-known environmentalist and Gandhian Sundarlal Bahuguna is no more. He was 94. Mr. Bahuguna is reported to have died from COVID-related complications at AAIMS in Rishikesh. Sixth question. What is the theme of International Biological Diversity Day 2021? Answer We are part of the solution. This year 2021, the theme is We are the part of the solution. From the nature-based solutions to climate, health issues, food and water security, and sustainable livelihood, biodiversity is the foundation upon which we can build back better. Seventh question. Which state has ranked first in Smart City Implementation Project, which was published recently? Answer Jharkhand. Jharkhand has clinched the first position among 36 state and union territories of India based on the progress of implementation of smart city project. Rajasthan came second in rankings. The rankings were released by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs MOHUA. SBI and which company has partnered for AI powered online account opening amidst pandemic? Answer Hyperverge. State Bank of India and Hyperverge partner for the AI powered online account opening amidst the pandemic. More points. State Bank of India is an Indian multinational public sector banking and financial services statutory board headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. Chairperson is Dinesh Kumar Khara. It was founded on July 1st, 1955 by the Indian government. Hyperverge is an AI company with solutions powering applications for the large enterprise clients in financial services, telecom, energy, security, and defense. Ninth question. Who will be the coach team during its Sri Lanka tour in July 2021? Answer Rahul Dravid. Former Indian skipper Rahul Dravid will coach the team in India their limited overs matches in Sri Lanka in July 2021. India is scheduled to play 6-game series against Sri Lanka. Name the kit for home COVID-19 testing which was approved by ICMR. Answer Coviself. Pune's MyLab received India's Council of Medical Research approval for India's first self-use rapid antigen test kit, Coviself, for COVID-19. This test is for self-use. More points. The Indian Council of Medical Research, the apex body in India for the formulation, coordination and promotion of biomedical research, is one of the oldest and largest medical research bodies in the world. Its headquarters is at New Delhi. It was founded in 1911. Chairman of ICMR is Professor Balram Bhargava. This is about MyLab. MyLab was founded on 2016 May 31. Its headquarters is at Pune. 11th question. Which bank has launched digital loan processing system for MSME agro borrowers? Answer IDBI Bank. IDBI Bank on Wednesday announced the launch of its fully digitalized loan processing system offering over 50 products to MSMEs and agriculture sector. 12th question. Who represents India at Financing of African Economics 2021? Answer V. Muralidharan. Minister of States for External Affairs V. Muralidharan reiterated India's commitment to build a more resilient and stronger Africa. He was delivering India's message at the Summit on Financing African Economics hosted by French Prime President Emmanuel Macron. Ministers and their department. S. Jaishankar, Ministry of External Affairs. Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Finance. Nitin Gadkari, Ministry of Road and Transport. Piyush Goyal, Ministry of Railway. Ramesh Pokhriyal, Ministry of Education. Harsh Vardhan, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 13th question. Name the ship which has been decommissioned recently. Answer INS Rajput. INS Rajput, the first destroyer of Indian Navy, will be decommissioned today after over 41 years of service. The lead ship of Kashin class destroyers built by erstwhile USSR. The destroyer was commissioned on May 4, 1980. 14th question. Which country has passed anti-Asian COVID hate crimes bill? Answer: US. President Joe Biden on Thursday, May 20, 2021, signed legislation to curtail and dramatic rise in hate crimes against Asian American and Pacific Islanders and expressed pride that lawmakers who seem to agree on little else came together against hate and racism. 15th question. When is International Tea Day celebrated in every year? Answer: May 21. International Tea Day is observed annually on May 21 according to the United Nations. The concerning resolution was adopted on December 21, 2019 and calls the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization to lead the observance of the day.